Good morning. And how are you today? Me? Fantastic, thanks for asking. Oh. Today I'm going to mop some RedGard in that bathroom. Oh, I am so glad that I put a little fan in this room, because the fumes are, wow. I have one coat on all this. I got to put another coat on it. I need to go to Home Depot and get some more brushes. And you know, this stuff is pretty cool stuff. It goes on pink and it dries red, and this may vary per your location, but out here in the dry desert, this stuff dries quick. And what I discovered is I'm using this pretty small roller, and the stuff kind of goops up around the shaft. He said shaft. And the roller ends up dragging. I got one of these here, 6-inch dealios. I don't think this is going to be any better. I bought a couple of rollers, replacement rollers for these, and I can't find them. I don't know what the hell I did with them. We'll see if Deb's seen them, but they're nowhere in here. But I'm gonna let that dry and come back later after I get some more supplies. Oh, they're right here, right in front of my face. Idiot! I think I might have a brush in the house. Anyway, like I said yesterday, I'm gonna go pull the plugs out. I gotta go anyway. I'm gonna go pull the plugs out of that tractor right quick. And maybe see if that small block Mopar will fire off. I suspect it will. Alright. That don't look too bad. A little carbony. Like it's a little rich. That one looks pretty good, actually. As does that one. But you get this one. This is the rearmost cylinder. It's got a lot of carbon buildup. I'm going to do the Rick method of removing carbon from spark plugs like this. And I'm going to soak them in lacquer thinner. It'll remove the carbon that's buried way down deep inside that insulator. And it'll also remove any paint that's on the outside of the plugs. I have no idea how old those plugs were. So I need to get some lacquer thinner, get some brushes, and what else do I need to get? A spark plug for the dart. RN14 something. Alright, so while I'm thinking about it, because, you know, I've got an incredible memory, it's just incredibly short. Put this inside the Jeep so I don't forget. RN14YC Champion. Okay. Off to the store. But first, lunch.
1 hour later.
out of zone because I broke another plug.
20 minutes later.
I gotta take this radiator off anyway to fix this hole right here, and I'm thinking I might have the cam out of phase. Oh, it's getting closer. Because the timing marks aren't lining up on the balancer. Not that that means anything. But this engine did run before I started messing with it. Put the valve cover on upside down, you idiot! In retrospect, if I were to do it all over again, I would just leave it alone. Ran just fine with a 2-barrel on it. Idiot! I should really stop second guessing myself and just accept the fact that I knew what I was doing 10 years ago, just like I know what I'm doing today. I just need to be a little more patient, that's all. By the way, that's why God gave me children, to learn patience. She's a smoky girl. All right. Okay, so now I know that that's going to run. Now it's just a matter of getting that thing dialed in so that I can run it. I got to run that thing for 20 minutes at, what did the instructions say? Something like 2,000 RPMs or some ridiculous thing like that. And to break the cam in, which means I'm going to piss the neighbors off because I'm not putting mufflers on that thing. I'm going to run it with open headers for 20 minutes. I got to do it sometime during the middle of the day, and I got to pull it out of the garage. I'll probably do it when my wife's not at home. She's at home this week. I'm going to put the second coat in here, and I'm going to take a brush and brush in all the freaking corners and stuff. I need to have at least 2 coats of this RedGard to have it the right mill thickness to be considered waterproof. But I'll probably end up putting, you know, if I got enough, I might have to get more. Put another, put like 3 or 4 coats on. It's the same process as you saw earlier. So got about an hour. See if I can get her done.
1 hour later.
Alright, 2 coats. Finally RedGarded the bathroom and the bus. I got the Mopar fired up. What's left on my to-do list? Oh yes, the spark plugs for the old dirty McCormick. Let's go see how they're faring, shall we? Let's see how that dirtiest plug is doing, and maybe we can maybe I can remove the rest of it with a toothbrush or something. What the f am I doing? Idiot. Those look better, don't they? Find out in a minute if it actually works. Still ain't running on a couple cylinders. Well, that's about all I got time for today. I guess I'm just gonna have to suck it up and go buy a new set of plugs for the old Farmall if I want it to run good. I didn't overhaul the engine or anything like that. I probably should have sent it out and had it freshened up. At least had a valve job done to it. But I didn't because I'm cheap. I know it's firing on those 2 cylinders because it gave me a poke a couple of times. But maybe next week I'll go on Amazon and find a set of replacement spark plugs for it and tinker with this sometime next week. I'm not gonna mess with it this week. If you want to see a tractor video, you're gonna tune in next week. If you haven't done so, underneath this window is a button that says subscribe. Click that and the bell icon right next to it so you too can be notified of future uploads. If you like this video, hammer with the like button and share it with the vast social media network. If you didn't like this video, click the thumbs down button and share it with the vast social media network. See what I did there? So you have fun, stay safe, shoot straight, keep it powder dry, and have a splendid day. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.